Hey guys, I am back with the August 29th reveal here for UberChic Beauty's reveal week. And I'm pretty confident this one's a plate, and I'm pretty confident this one is a full-size plate. And I am loving opening these things up. I just love it. I mean, it's a lot of fun. I know that I'm being silly. I know it, but it's just like it's the little things in life, isn't it? Getting to open little stuff. Okay, so you guys probably know that she's got like Lovely Leaves 1 through 3, and this is Lovely Leaves 4. So let me pull it on out here. All right, here's a close-up look at all the patterns, and then we'll take a quicker little look here. And of course, you know, she always comes out with the Lovely Leaves pattern in the fall. But just because they're in the fall doesn't mean that you have to use fall colors or just use them for fall. So like these here, I mean, you could even do, these kind of have a heart shape, so you could do these in reds and pinks for Valentine's Day. You could do like, especially this here for summer kind of issues, or summer kind of manis, and holiday manis, like going to the tropics, that kind of stuff. So all of these things you can get pretty much, you know, and this is beautiful for winter manis. Excuse me. And she had thinner ones of these on a previous plate, and I love now that there's thicker ones, because one of the things that I like to do is I like to do maybe like bigger prints on two nails and smaller prints on the other, and just put those two together. So now I'll be able to play with that, and I love it. Cute little raccoon. So if you have her Woodland Chic plate, this will go really well with that as well. And then the layering leaves, which always makes just stunning multiple color manis, especially with the fall colors, just super easy. And then I love these little sprigs here. You know, I play Merge Dragons. I don't know if you play that. It is addicting, and I have to force myself to not play it, otherwise I will play it all the time. Anyway, the point is they've got like a little one that looks kind of like these that ends up being worth money if you harvest it. And so when I look at that now, I see that. So when I do my Merge Dragon manis, which I am sure is only a matter of time, this is what I will be using. All right, so let me do a couple of test looks, and I will be right back. Alright, so let's take a look at the looks I did with the Lovely Leaves plate. There we go. So that is the first look. And then for that second look there, I wanted to try out that tree image, and I kind of messed up the bottom a little bit, so just look at that part there. Do I have that in focus? I think it's in focus. Alright, and then for my last, which is actually my favorite, I double stamped that, the kind of the falling leaf image. I did it once in an orange polish, Midnight Pumpkin, and then in a red polish on top of it to get that kind of almost a French look, a graded French look there. So those are the looks that I did with the Lovely Leaves 4 plate. And I will be back tomorrow with the final reveal. So thank you for watching. Bye!